Psychology say people who don't celebrate their birthday think differently than most. Ever wondered why some people don't care about their birthday at all?
Here's the thing. If you treat your birthday like just another day, that doesn't make you cold or ungrateful. Your brain's just wired differently. And low-key, that's power. Today, I'm breaking down why people like you are low-key alpha goats. First, you don't chase attention. That's my bro. Some people live for birthday hype, posts, and notifications. Who cares, bro? But you don't need that to feel valued. Your confidence comes from within. That's grown behavior, no cap. You know your worth without needing everyone else to validate it. Second, forced celebration isn't your vibe. Birthdays come with expectations. Be happy, be social, be on. For you, that just feels draining. Choosing peace over performance, that's unbothered energy. That's real power. You feel it. Third, you reflect more than you party. Instead of turning up, your mind checks in. Where am I in life? Am I evolving? That mindset is high-key self-aware. Emotional intelligence like this, most people don't even think that way. Fourth, you are pro being the center of attention isn't it for you. Not insecurity, just awareness. Too many eyes, too much noise. Keeping it simple feels authentic. That's main character energy, living your life your way. Fifth, you value real connection over rituals. One deep conversation on a random day hits harder than 50 birthday texts. That's vibe check approved. You know what matters and you don't waste energy on what doesn't. Finally, you regulate emotions differently. You avoid emotional highs because the crash isn't worth it. Keeping things calm keeps you balanced. That's low-key elite energy. So yeah, if you vibe with this, congratulations, you're a low-key alpha goat. Drop a comment, vibe check bro, and share this with your 3 goat friends. Peace out.